Hello brothers and sisters, welcome back again. I welcome you in my love and respect. Let me sage it up and clean some of the energy in the world and in the space right here. Thank you for being here. Thank you for allowing yourself to drop in as your true self, in your pure heart, pure awareness, as I simply just create space for your authentic self to be here. No one else needs to be here. There's nothing to prove to no one. There's no roles to play. It is safe. It is safe for you to be you. And thank you. I am honored to be amongst all you gods and goddesses out there. Om. Thank you. Thank you. In this video, I would love to just speak on empowerment. Now, I'm going to refer to you guys as gods and goddesses for most of the time from now on. And it's to truly awaken the divine nature in you. Because so many people still don't get it. They resist becoming, and it's not even becoming. They resist allowing themselves to be. It's like they want to be spiritual, they want to know the truth, they want to come to freedom and pure love and pure bliss and nirvana and non-duality and getting rid of the ego, getting rid of the judgments, getting rid of the mind. But as soon as they come to the point of like it's presented to them, they resist letting go. They still resist letting go of that ego. They still resist. And I know I have a big feeling in my heart that is because of the confidence that they lack. They still feel that the ego person is going to give them a better quality of life. That the ego person, the mental, is going to somehow bring a better life to them. So they allow this personal self to continue playing without them really trusting that themselves, the divine creator, the prime creator, you, us, have so much more in store to experience, create. It's so funny how I see so many people, so many friends, and so many, just in general, everybody wants love. At the end of the day, everybody just wants to be loved. And it's as simple as you loving yourself. You taking away this mental personal of yourself that is taking up space and attention in your present moment right now. And not allowing you to see and experience and embody love that is already right now. So what I wanted to make this video on is to give you confidence, to spark that light in your spirit, to just, it's okay. It is gonna be okay. It is okay. You are safe now. You are safe. You are protected. You are guided. It is natural for you to just allow yourself to be that resistance, that like, oh, I can't speak my truth, oh, I can't eat that fruit, that, when you say that instant when you're about to break free and truly like bliss out, full of love, it's the mind with like some type of no but that's all it is really doing. And yes, it's followed up with like maybe some ideas or whatever it tells you, because I'm not in your space. Whatever you're filtering in your life that takes you away from truly being here. And I know the feeling, I know the doubts, the fears, the safety net of following your mind, that it creates a safety net of like survival. I get that part, but you would be much more practical even within your survival as your true self. So you're using the mind to work on things of survival because you trust that it's going to give you the best solutions, the best outcomes. So you trusting the mind as it like guides you. But the mind scope of reality is nothing compared to the universal scope of intelligence for you to create right now. What you feel right now in your walls, in your finances, in your happiness, in your just basic, let's bring it straight to basics. The basics of you existing right now in this body are being healthy in your body and being in relatively good vital health and in a clear awareness so that you can rationalize and reason with your experiences to receive the proper information and react in the world with the proper response, that is to nurture you, nurture the people around you. And in that process, sorry, please bear with me, I know it's a lot to keep up with. And in that process of you doing that, some type of doubt comes in, some type of thought, awareness, mind comes in and says, hey, I know you have a task at hand and it's survival, and I got the perfect answers and solutions so you can do this and thrive in. And like it's like a person that your conscience, your awareness, your present self is putting your kind of like you're blindly following it while it tells you these things, and then you live them, and then you're somehow stuck in this thing. Versus you don't listen to it, you stay back, you remain present, you remain your consciousness, your original state of being here, and somehow the whole survival aspect of keeping this body, like what I said earlier, healthy, and you being in relatively vital, and your psychic, your awareness, you are more likely to make the best choices and the right choices in this state moving forward than you would any time in the mind. That's my point. And it's by a long shot. And I think people are having a tough time trusting that. And if they really knew the truth in their heart, they would... It has to be experienced. No one can tell you. I know it's kind of tricky, but that's how it is. So I'm trying to explain something that I can't explain, but you will know what it is once you experience it. And then it's like, aha! Like, I see it. I don't have this barrier, this veil of thoughts and emotions and backgrounds and this and that. And it's just you right here, right now. Just being, loving. Like loving is actually even just, like the word loving is not even, doesn't even do it justice. Like the word itself, how we use it, how we know. It's such more expandedness, such more just space. And it is just, it's a place where once you know it's there, you want to tag everybody with it. You're like, what? You don't have to be stressing, feeling anxiety, feeling all these fears, getting lost in all these mental paradigms, when you could just be cool, calm, and collective, and totally within reason of everything, and you got this. You more than got this. You are the natural creator of this. And I think, oh, I don't want to say I think, 'cause the mind will always want to come back in. It's always going to want to have its driver's seat role in your experience. So it's always going to be wise, and it's telling you what, if you continue listening to it, if you continue identifying with it, if you continue being in the habit of just not being your true self, your divine, natural, just here at peace. See, you're not even creating peace. You're not creating love. You just love. Because there's just a natural union, a natural essence of oneness. And that you can't explain too much. You have to just experience it, and that's why I love making these videos, because I find new ways. This is still work for me, because I'm finding new ways to communicate these experiences with all of y'all as I'm going through them, and I'm going through it myself, being in this life, and waking up, as far as me knowing that I'm a spiritual being, pure consciousness, experiencing this life in a physical body, and here I am in this experience with a lot of us doing the same thing, and some get little in boxes and dark spots, and we're like, no, we can live more expandedly, and not from that small way of receiving information, and how we interpret information, so that we know how to properly express ourselves, and being able to receive, being able to read people, being able to be conscious of what are the needs of people. You can instantly feel them and see them without your own barriers and judgments, and your own whatever you have going on, filtering your truth of knowing you are one with the other person or the other thing. And it's just something we each have to experience, and I'm so excited to be doing this work, and so excited to be in this state and allow us to become one again, and to love each other one again. And not that we want to in the mental paradigm perspective, is that we just actually awaken that we are it, and it naturally just spontaneously unfolds and blooms, and yeah, it's such a great time to be alive, and I'm honored. Thank you. Thank you. And we can drop into our body, into this physical experience with pure peace, pure love, tangible. You can emanate it. You can change the space around you with your light and your love. Physically, like the molecules around you and the space around you begins to vibrate at a different frequency just because you're emitting it. You're in an electric magnetic field, and anything within your being, you're gonna light it up too, because remember, this is just energy. This tissue's energy, these beads are energy, this beanie's energy, this hair is, so at the core fundamental truth of oneness, it's all one thing. And that's another video, but just, I love you guys. Thank you for allowing me to make these videos. If it wasn't for you guys that watch these videos, like, it wouldn't be the same. So thank you for continuing to be on this journey with me. I love you guys so much. Peace be with you. Namaste. All is love. Om.